So this video is about how to adjust the full screen in a VirtualBox. If I go to the View tab and click on full screen, I still see this is not a full screen on both sides. So how to solve this issue? Go to Devices tab, click Insert Guest Editions CD image. Once you click on that, go to any folder inside the VirtualBox, click on this PC. You will see CD drive VirtualBox Guest Editions. Right click and click on Open. Here you will see a file, VBox Windows Editions AMD64. Right click on it, then click on Open or Run as Administrator. It asks to reboot the VirtualBox. Click on Finish. Now go to the View tab, click on Full Screen Mode. Switch, you will see a full screen in your VirtualBox.